Hello, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good. I'm Titash from Bangladesh.
Nice to meet you, Titash. I'm Ruth from the United States.
Nice to meet you too. Today, I would like to talk to you about monuments.
Monuments?
Yes.
Okay. What would you like to talk about monuments?
Yeah. Describe a famous monuments you have visited in your country.
Okay. Would you like me to go first, or do you want to go ahead and describe to me?
Okay, I can say
Okay.
in my country there are many historical monuments. Uh, I'm from the capital city, and there you will have many old buildings.
Mm-hmm.
I have visited many of them, like Ehsan Manjil, Lalbagh Kella, Dhakeshwari Temple, Armenian Church. Today, I will share with you the best monuments I have ever seen.
Okay.
It's national martyrs.
Martyrs? Yes. Martyrs.
Yeah,
The
it's a,
National Martyrs Monument.
it's National Martyrs Monument. It's our national monuments.
Who is the monument dedicated to?
Yes, it's set up in the memory and of those who died in the Bangladesh Liberation War of 1971,
Okay.
which brought independence and separated Bangladesh from Pakistan.
Very good. So
Okay,
you did
thank
very
you.
good. You described who it was dedicated to, and now tell me what it looks like.
Yeah, it's located in Savar. It's
Hmm.
close to Dhaka,
Okay.
and it's free for all,
Okay.
and it's quite well maintained. And the whole area is quite big
Okay.
and full of green view. It was designed by Said Moinul Hussain.
Okay. Are
Um,
are there statues? Are there buildings?
the architecture is composed by 7 pairs of triangular shaped walls.
Wow.
Yeah. So in
So it's
1978,
very modern.
yeah, in 1978 they started construction on the structure. In 1982, the structure was finally completed.
Okay.
Can you please describe a famous monument you have visited in
Sure.
your country?
Sure. I have visited um well, I have visited a lot of famous monuments, but I think the place I would like to describe is not really a monument, but it does have a small statue there. The Mississippi River cuts
Okay,
our
yeah.
cuts our country in half from north to south. And
Okay.
in my home state of Minnesota is the source of the Mississippi River where it starts. It
Okay.
starts it starts at Lake Itasca in northern Minnesota. And around the lake are many, many huge, huge pine trees and forests. It is a protected place. You can go swimming in the lake, but you can't ride a boat in it or anything like that. And where the lake actually empties into what becomes the Mississippi River, the river is so shallow
Oh,
and so short, so narrow that you can actually jump across it.
uh,
And it meanders through the park, and there's several bridges where you can cross it, or you can walk. And it's a beautiful, peaceful place. And it took a long time to discover the headwaters of the Mississippi because there are many small tributaries that flow into it along the way.
Is it
And
open for all?
yes, it is open. Well, normally, I don't know if it is open right now because
Oh,
of the virus,
yes,
but
yes.
there is a
On now,
national,
all of the tourist places are now closed.
most of them are, many of them are.
Right.
We are trying to open back up, but we are finding out that the virus is spreading again very quickly. So I'm not sure what's going to happen.
Yeah. So do you think the government should invest money in preserving old building?
I think they should because our history and our heritage are important to know. I think it's important to know our history and our heritage so that we can learn from it. We can learn from our mistakes and we can learn from our successes.
Right.
If we don't know where we come from, we don't know who we are.
Right. Right.
You know, if all we are is just right here and now, that's not very much. that's not enough. I need to know my history. I think it's important for the government to invest money in that and for the public to invest money in it, to take a responsibility of it for ourselves.
Yeah, I think so. I think if the building are really important to the country, right?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Um, then of course we should government should invest in this sector
Yes.
as well as it's a tourist attraction as well as, right?
Yeah, even if it's not really a popular tourist attraction, there are times we still have to preserve things, even if people don't come to see it. But I enjoy museums. I enjoy parks where the land is just let to be itself, and we can see
Right.
what the land is supposed to look like, what kind of plants are supposed to grow there, and it's very wonderful. Do you
Yeah.
have lots of parks?
Yes, in my country we have a lots of parks, but uh, in parks there is some issue like that. There is some light issue. So one of the park very close to my home,
Mm-hmm.
I go to the park for walk,
Mm-hmm.
and usually I go to the park at daytime.
Mm-hmm.
I feel scared at night time because there is
Okay.
no not a lot of light. So I think need more light. Then the
Okay.
people can go to the park at night time as
Yes.
well as, right?
Yes. Lighting is a good deterrent for crime.
Right.
If
As
there's
well as
plenty.
some sitting place need more sitting
Mm-hmm.
place. People can
Mm-hmm.
relax here, right?
Mm-hmm. Yes. Wonderful. We also have national parks, huge areas of
Yeah.
land. Like Yellowstone National Park is a huge park. We are done. We'll see you again soon. I'll send you
Thank
my
you.
schedule.
Thank you.